Welcome back to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I'm sitting in a 2006 Ford Freestar and I will show you how to remove and replace the radio unit. This video applies to Ford Freestars made from 2004 all the way up to 2007. First you'll have to remove this plastic trim piece that's surrounding the radio. Now you can use a flat screwdriver, something like this, or a trim remover if you have it. But basically anything works. So what you want to do, just want to pry underneath here and pop it out, because this plastic piece is held by a couple of plastic clips on the back side. And now you can proceed with your fingers as well. So there's no screws holding it or anything, and once it's all loose you can just lay down to hang. That will show you these clips. So pretty much those are the ones. One is here, one is here, and two at the bottom, one here and one on the other side. Okay, once this is out of your way, now you have 4 7mm screws holding the radio unit. So 2 are on the right side and 2 of them on the left side. So what you want to do, just remove those screws, and then you can pull out the radio unit. Okay, so these are the screws, and now the radio will be completely loose. So what you want to do, you want to pull it just straight out, and once you do that, you'll see on the back side you want to disconnect the radio antenna. To do it, just pull it straight out, and on the other side you have power connection, all those wires. So there is only one connector. Here's this clip, you click onto the clip and also just pull it straight out. You might have to wiggle it a bit because it wasn't taken out for a while probably, but yeah, that's it. Here's the antenna. Okay, and this is how I remove the radio unit from a Ford Freestar minivan. What I would also like to mention in this video, if you are planning to replace this factory radio with another factory radio from a different Ford Freestar, make sure to get the new radio code, which can be usually found in a glove box. If you have like an owner's manual, there is like a small card usually inside, the size of a business card, that shows you the 4-digit code. So if you're buying or getting the radio from a used car salvage, there's lots of these Freestars probably. Try to find one that has the code. If you don't have the code, you won't be able to use the radio. It's gonna power up, but it's gonna ask you for that code. So in that case, your only option is to call the Ford dealer, and they will ask you for the radio serial number and the serial number of the vehicle you took it from. So in that case, make sure to write down the serial number of the vehicle. If you are replacing this radio with the aftermarket radio, make sure to get the wiring harness that goes into this plug, and then the other side has to connect to your new radio. And you'll also need the radio installation kit for Ford Freestar. So once you put your new radio in, it all looks original, and it actually fits this hole for the radio. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like it and subscribe to my YouTube automotive channel. I do my best to post new videos daily. On my channel you can find lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.